Welcome to Pip Insight. Tuesday the 7th of July, London pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 5 showing bullish structure and 2 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's London pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, pound dollar, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, dollar Canada, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, Aussie dollar. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold segment, you came to the right place. Let's dig into what's shaping up to be a technically interesting session for the yellow metal. Gold is currently trading around $4,139, and the bias coming into London is moderately bearish. After a powerful rally from the $3,982 area on July 1st all the way up to $4,215 by July 5th, nearly 230 points in a matter of days, we're now seeing that move unwind in an orderly but persistent pullback. Price has slipped below the H4 EMA at $4,132, and across all 3 timeframes we're tracking, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, and the 15-minute, the trend is pointing lower. What made Monday's session particularly telling was that stubborn rejection at $4,187. Price tested that ceiling across roughly 10 consecutive hourly candles and simply could not push through. That's textbook distribution behavior, and once sellers finally took control, the breakdown through the $4,150s was fairly clean. On the fundamental side, the only scheduled US event today is Fed member Bowman speaking at 7 a.m. London time, rated low impact, so we're unlikely to see major dollar-driven volatility from the calendar alone. That keeps the technical picture front and center. The levels to watch into this session, $4,150 and $4,165 as overhead resistance on any bounce attempt, and $4,131 followed by $4,118 as the key floors to the downside. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3401 and 1.3405. Support is marked between 1.3347 and 1.3351. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 162.25 and 162.43. Support is marked between 161.65 and 161.78. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.807 and 0.8073. Support is marked between 0.8045 and 0.805. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Aussie dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.6956 and 0.6962. Support is marked between 0.6928 and 0.6938. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 1.4232 and 1.424. Support is marked between 1.419 and 1.4205. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Pound yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 217.1 and 217.21. Support is marked between 216.25 and 216.4. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the London pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.